Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. I got a box, and those already know. And if you don't know, when I get a box, I get so happy. Woo! Let's open up this box. This box is heavy. There may be a couple things in here. Let's open it up. This is some stuff that I ordered because my friends, they subscribe to my channel. Okay, come on, Knifey. Gotta go bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, there's some goodies in here. Okay. Woo. What am I going to pick out first? Let's see. Let's start with this box. This box is so heavy, I don't know what it is. Ooh, I get to get the knife again. I get to get the knife.
Yeah, we don't want to do anything to scare your children. That's the last thing we want to do. We don't want to scare anybody.
Just this little piece right here. If y'all hear anything in the background, that's my doggie. She always wants to be playing with the boxes. Whoa, this is cool. Okay, this is inside and how it looks inside the box. I wanted to do it up close. And there's the USB cord. I'm going to take this out the box so you can see this out of the box for you. This is a power bank. And a lot of people know what a power bank is, and if you don't know, a power bank is a unit that powers up your devices. And then this way, when you're on the go somewhere, instead of you trying to look for a socket to plug it in, you can get ahead and use this power bank. This is a pretty big power bank. I didn't expect it to be so big and thick. They're normally small. And you can get ahead and charge up your iPhone, your Android, your tablets, your Fire sticks, whatever you got, Bluetooth stuff, anything that needs to be charged. Except that this one, you know how I am. This one is unique. This one could charge up to 3 outlets right here. On this side is the up close of the output. And there is a mini USB. That's right here that you can see. There's the flashlight. And this is the button. And you press this down and it lets you know that they all charged. And then you press it and hold it. And that's when you get the flashlight. So this could charge 3 things at once. Again, press it, cuts right. Gives you a flashlight. Press it again. Press it, hold it down, and the light goes off. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee. Honeybee.